Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know this is a little different than how I normally do my hauls and everything, but I've been super busy today and I got a lot of stuff to do tomorrow. I did find a few things tonight and I wanted to just quickly share with you what I picked up so that I can just get this up for you guys tomorrow. So the first thing is I always pick these up whenever I find them, because ever since I found them, everybody is looking for these socks. So whenever I can send some out to whoever, I pick up extras all the time. Then in a different video, I showed you guys this stylus pen. I went and picked up, when I was in there today, I saw them again, so I picked up the purple one. And it's a pen and then a stylus at the same time. It has that ball, that thing on the end for the stylus. And I just thought that was really pretty, so I got that. Now, I got multiples of these. You guys, look at these pens. These are My Little Pony. They're by Inkworks. It is black ink, I believe. And how cute are these? Can I get a, hold on, there it is. Look at their faces in there. How cute. So let me show you a different one, because on this one it shows 3 of them in there. See that? Now look at this pen. That is so pretty. And I mean, for only $1, I had to pick up multiples. So I picked up 4. And I just like those. And it says Hasbro on the back and everything. So I don't know what these normally would have retailed for, but I know they would have been way more than $1. So let me move these out the way so I can show you guys my favorite things, which is coming up. I did see these old Williamsburg candles. I think these were out around Thanksgiving. I'm not sure, but I picked them up anyway because I can't remember if I like these. And it's the maple pumpkin cream. I'm not sure why they're out right now. They probably just had some in the back. And then leaves. I remember smelling that and I actually liked it. So I picked up those 2. Now for the fun stuff. You guys, they had some stickers. Look at these cute cowgirls. Oh my gosh. Look at them. And they have the little brown one right there. How cute is that? And these are foil. So I picked up that. I picked up actually 2 of those. Because those were just, those were just too cute. Then I picked up these little animals. I got these cars. I was thinking about Pooh Bear when I picked up these with his little Hot Wheels and monster cars and stuff. So I had to get that. And then here's some little woodland like creatures or animals or whatever. Look at her with her little flower headband on. They are just too cute. So I got those. And then here's some cats and dogs. He's down there taking a bath. You guys know I go crazy over stickers sometimes. Okay, these are my favorite now. Look at those. Neon colors. These are foil. I love how they look like the old school like signs and stuff, like how that says bar. But look at those colors. And the camera is not doing justice for these, the actual colors that is popping up. So I got that one. This one. Super cute. This one with the rocket ships and stuff. Look at him, the alien sitting up in the spacecraft. This is my favorite one right here. Look at that gumball machine. The little Volkswagen bug. Look at that. I love those. I think I got 2 packs of these. I know I did. I picked up 2 of those. And then I think I also picked up, no, I only picked up 1 of these. The little summer set. Super cute. Look at that pineapple. And then I picked up 2 of these because I love these colors. Really, really pretty. And then I think, did I show? Yeah, I must have picked up 2 of, did I accidentally get? Yeah, I picked up 2 of these. I didn't know that I picked up 2. And then the last thing was this. It's just a pencil pouch that says love. And I picked this up for my daughter. So that is it for my haul, you guys. I just quickly wanted to come and show you some of this cute stuff that I got, because I know these pens are going to go fast, and the stickers probably. So yeah, these were in the stationery area. Some stores probably will have these up in the front by the registers. But in my store, they were in the stationery area. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super duper quick haul. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you all on my next one. Bye.